Hey guys, Dave here, and we are on site. It's a rainy day, and we're just going to take a quick look at this property. This home is all set for a major transformation. This house, you're not going to recognize this house in a couple of months. We are pumping out. We're going back. With a two-car garage, we're coming out about 15 feet on the side here, and then we're going over the entire structure that's existing with several bedrooms, master suite. This place is going to be completely transformed. We're knocking that garage down. We have a pit that's going to go over here, and a new driveway, decks coming down. It's going to be a complete home transformation. We're just about a week out, and yeah, you got to watch this one. It's going to be amazing. Entire first floor is going to be opened up, and then we're going above that whole structure that I just described. It's going to be amazing transformation here. It's going to be one of the nicest, and it's an old house. Family's excited, and we're ready to get this thing going. Paperwork's just about done with the town, and you're going to see a really nice project here. So stay tuned, follow us, like us, and you're going to see an amazing transformation.